Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Bhumika. Here is what I bring to you from the world of medicine. Clinical trial highlights synthetic cannabis, dronabinol, alleviates agitation in Alzheimer's patients. In a study led by the Hopkins University School of Medicine and Tufts University School of Medicine, researchers show that a pill form of the drug dronabinol, an FDA-approved synthetic version of marijuana's main ingredient, THC, reduces agitation in patients with Alzheimer's by an average of 30%. The researchers say that compared to current treatment for agitation, such as antipsychotics, dronabinol produces similar calming effects without adverse results such as delirium or seizures. These new findings represent 8 years of work dedicated to people who have Alzheimer's as well as their caregivers, says Paul Rosenberg, MD, Professor of Psychiatry and Behavioral Sciences at the Hopkins University School of Medicine and co-principal investigator for the study. Agitation is one of the most distressing symptoms of Alzheimer's dementia, and we are pleased to make positive strides forward in treatment of these patients. Although mild agitation can sometimes be moderated by behavioral intervention in moderate to severe cases, some form of medication is typically required to manage symptoms and provide relief for caregivers. It is the agitation, not the memory loss, that often drives individuals with dementia to the emergency department and long-term care facilities, says Brent Forrester, MD, Psychiatrist in Chief and Chairman of the Department of Psychiatry at Tufts Medical Center and co-principal investigator on the study. Dronabinol has the potential to both reduce healthcare costs and make an important positive impact on caregivers' mental and physical health. In the new study, researchers recruited 75 patients with severe Alzheimer's agitation across 5 clinical sites, including 35 admitted to the Johns Hopkins Hospital between March 2017 and May 2024. To qualify, patients had to have a formal clinical diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease and show at least one major symptom of agitation for at least 2 weeks. Prior to treatment, patients were tested for agitation using the Pittsburgh Agitation Scale and the Neuropsychiatric Inventory Agitation or Aggression Subscale. The PAS scored agitation from 0 to 4, with 4 being the most agitated. The NPIC provides a brief assessment of neuropsychiatric symptoms, including delusions, hallucinations, anxiety, depression, and other factors. Baseline scores were acquired from caregivers at the onset of the trial. Participants were then randomly selected to get either 5 mg of dronabinol in pill form or a placebo in pill form twice daily for 3 weeks and then retested using the PAS and NPIC scale. Results from the dronabinol group show an average PAS starting value of 9.68 and an end value of 7.26 after 3 weeks, a 30% decrease compared to the scores in the placebo group, which did not change. Additionally, dronabinol was well tolerated by patients compared to current treatments for agitation. Results like this are encouraging. We are thrilled that FDA-approved dronabinol was robustly effective and appeared safe for treatment of agitation, says Rosenberg. This adds another tool in our efforts to improve the care of our loved ones with Alzheimer's disease. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.